Hi there, Lisa Allen at Fairway. I'm Jeremy's assistant. Today I want to talk to you about a home loan pre-approval. What is it? Why do you need it? When should you get it? All important things to know. So we're going to break it down. So a home loan pre-approval letter. It comes from a lender and it's a letter that tells you exactly how much home you can afford. It also details the loan program. And when you present it with an offer, it tells everyone that you are well qualified and serious buyer. Without this, you might not get your offer accepted. There are some lenders that will do a pre-qual. Pre-qual is completely different from pre-approval. Pre-qual, you call a lender and ask for a pre-qual. What they're going to do is they are going to ask you questions. They're going to take your word for it, and it's going to be an estimate. Yeah, you might qualify for this loan program. Might be this much home that you can buy, but nothing's confirmed. They might not even pull your credit. It's not really a serious thing. It's for people that aren't really ready to buy a home. So what we do here at Fairway is we do a pre-approval. We want, when you're shopping for a home, we want it to make sense. We want it to be the right time. You know, if you're out there shopping, you need to know what you can afford. So step one in the process is a loan application. Whether you do that online or a mobile phone app, in person, or over the phone with Jeremy, doesn't matter the way you do it. The questions are going to be the same. They're pretty standard. Name, date of birth, social security number, your employment for the last 2 years, where have you lived the last 2 years, um, and some basic contact information, as well as federally mandated questions like, have you had a bankruptcy? Have you had a foreclosure? Are you party to a lawsuit? So standard stuff. Once we get that information, we're going to let you know what documentation we need to confirm this information. We want to make sure, again, your information is accurate and that you are well qualified so there are no hiccups down the road. There's no rock left unturned. You are ready to go. When you make that offer, you know that you're going to get to the closing table. So, documentation. It's going to vary by person, but typically it may be pay stubs, W-2s for the last 2 years, bank statements, mortgage statements if you own a home, and if you pay child support, maybe a child support order. So again, varies by applicant. After we have that documentation, there are income calculations that we must perform. It's different per loan program. So it's not just saying, I make this much, I work this many hours a week. It varies by program. So we have to dig into that a little more. And then along with that, we pull a credit report. It's a tri-merge credit report. Usually there's 3 credit scores. It gives us your credit history, your payment history, shows us what your minimum monthly payments are, and this all factors into what you will qualify for. And then lastly, after we have all this, we've compared it against the underwriting guidelines that we have for each of the different loan programs, and we figure out what programs you may qualify for. We'll run your information through what's called an AUS, an automated underwriting system. And this confirms an approval. So it's like some checks and balances to confirm that we got you, we got your back, you're ready to go. And once that's done, Jeremy will take the loan programs, he'll button them up, show them to you, present them, go over the options. And once you've decided what's best for you, he'll present that pre-approval letter for you so you can get out there and find the home for yourself. Hope this helps.